In this video, we are going to show how to link a 1D urban network with a 2D model. For this example, we are assuming that both models are already configured and will be able to run independently. If that is not your case, I invite you to check our other tutorials that will teach you how to do it. Load the urban network and load the 2D simulation file into Flood Modeler. Now we are going to create the link shapefile between both networks. On the ribbon bar, go to the 1D Urban Build tab and press the 1D Urban 2D button. You will see that the right panel changed to the linking view. Select the nodes you want to link. In this case, we will select all. Right-click in one of the selected nodes and choose Create 2D linking for selected nodes. A new tool window will open. In this case, we want to create a new shapefile, so select this option. Click on the folder icon to choose where the shapefile will be saved. The append option can be useful when we need to add linking lines at different sizes and orientations. Now go to the Advanced Network and select the shapefile type. In this case, we're going to select line. You could also select a square or point. We need to choose the dimension and the orientation of our linking line. The recommendation is to choose a dimension that will encompass more than one cell. In this case, we're using 6 meters, which is thrice the size of our 2D cell, 2 meters. The orientation parameter will let us choose the orientation of the line or square. An orientation of 0 degrees will make a line center in the node and pointing north. An orientation of 45 degrees will point northeast. 90 degrees will point east, and so on. For our network, because all the nodes are located on streets that are more or less oriented on a west-east direction, we are going to choose 90 degrees. If you have a more complex network with streets oriented in several directions, you can use the Group and Appends option mentioned before to have different nodes with different orientations. Once you finish, click OK. We are now going to edit the link of the old file. We will change the coefficient it shares from 1.2 value to something less conservative, and we will change the orientation of the line to be orthogonal. Select the link shapefile on the Layers panel. Right-click and select Start Edit. A red star appears next to its name during the edit mode. The new layer editor will open on the top bar. Zoom to the old file link, use the Select tool to select it, then use the Move Vertex tool to move it and place it orthogonally. Next, we're going to change the coefficient value. Click on the Attribute window button, find the node, and in the column CD, write the new value and press Intro. Close the windows, click on Save button, and then in Stop Edit to finish editing. Open the 2D simulation file on the 1D linking section. You need to tick the 1D urban box and select a file for the 1D link flow summary. Select the same starting time on the 2D file than in the urban model. You can check the urban simulation times by right-clicking on the network at the project panel, going to Model Settings and clicking in the Days tabs. You could configure your 2D domain on the Domain tab, but in this case, the 2D component is already configured. So let's configure the 1D urban part. Go to the 1D urban links tab and select your urban network file on the first section. On the link shapefile section, click on the plus button to add the previously created link shapefile. On the advanced parameters, you can change the default parameter of the weir coefficient. Mind that Flow Modeler will only use those if you have not set up a coefficient on the link file. We have finished the configuration. Click Save and we are ready to run the model. Thank you for watching. For further information, please visit floodmodeler.com.